Okay, this is a 2006 Chrysler Pacifica 3.5 liter engine, and I'm replacing the thermostat. And I noticed that there was a number of videos that talked about taking this entire upper intake off, which was to me kind of insane. You do not have to do that. All you need is a 1/2 inch socket and an extension. So basically there's 2 screws. What you want to do is, this is your water hose that's going to be connected here in that area. If we can see, hold on, see if I can get you some light. So your water hose is going to be connected here in that area. You basically take a monkey wrench, undo the clamp. The way I did it is that I tucked the monkey wrench down like this, and I opened it up. I'll open it up around this box or wherever these cables are here, this way, and then that way I was able to open it up and then clamp it to get it loose, so you don't have to take anything off. There's just 2 screws, obviously, for the neck of the radiator thermostat neck. This is metal, it's not plastic, and it's just the 2 screws, which are like I said, a 1/2 inch, and it's like this sitting in there. So the one at the top is a little bit, which is here, which is a little bit tougher to get, and that's why you need the extension. That's all you need, and you can reach it. It's pretty tight, so you have to put some elbow grease on it. But the thing is it comes loose. It's just the 2. Make sure your engine's cold. That's your catalytic converter right there, so you really don't want to be slipping and hitting something and then burn yourself. So it comes off. Put your thermostat in there, and then now we're just bolting it back on and repeating the same process in reverse. But the main reason I'm doing this video is because, like I said, there was a 20-minute video or something like that taking this entire intake off and then reaching it, which was insane. I've done this now, or I've been working on the car now for, I don't know, maybe 15-20 minutes or 15 minutes, and it took me that long because I had to find a 1/2 inch socket, so in my extension. So if you got your tools up front and personal, it shouldn't take no more than maybe a 20-minute fix for the entire process. 10-minute, take it off, 10-minute, put it back on. The end.